In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find saved posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. And then on our home feed we can save any post, any photo or video just by hitting at that bookmark icon. I can just tap on it and now it says saved. And let me just show you how you can easily find all your saved posts. To do that, go to your profile, then hit at menu icon, and that's where you can easily find saved. You can just tap on it and that will show you all your posts, audios, reels, all that stuff in one place. If you want to search for posts, you can hit at all posts, and that's where you can filter that content by all posts, videos and reels. And then you can tap at any post to see it, and let's say you don't like this post anymore, so you can hit at unlike, and also you can hit at three dots and then hit at unsave to remove it from your saved posts. Now you can refresh that page. As you can see, the post that I have just unsaved is now gone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.